Okay, so this is one that I'm working on. I had excess of the diamond pieces left over after I finished this one. I haven't yet framed it yet, so I'm using up. Now all you need is a surface. This is actually a piece of foam, but you can do it on paper, whatever it is, and all you need is double-sided tape. It works better. This is a thin one, but obviously it comes in different sizes. And then all you're going to do is to create a pattern and use them up as you see fit. So let's just do this one and I'll show you how I'm working on it. And it's the same principle. I'm not following a particular pattern. I'm just whatever I'm doing on one side I'm doing on the other, and then working my way outwards. I started in the middle of the foam, and I haven't taken all of this off, because obviously if you take them all off they'll lose their stickiness. Now this, after it's done, you can then add it to any other surface. I can stick this on a surface, and what I'm going to do is actually do a varnish it, but do a seal over it, probably with, you know, some sort of glue, or spray it, and then I might incorporate this into a stitch project. So we're just going to go round as you saw me do the other one, but I'm the one who's creating the pattern and deciding where I want bits to go. Now I'm mindful that I've only got these are the last bits that I've got, and I want to make sure that I enclose all of these areas. So I'm going to stay as close to the sides as possible, and as I say, work outwards. So that means I'll need to come along these parts. Let me just check my desk. I've just found another one. But I'm not going to use that. I think one fell on the floor as well, but hey. Okay, so what I'm going to do is now cut this out. That's the finished piece now. And I'll just cut the foam. And I can use these bits for another one if I do get another one, and I have some excess left over. So these are all pretty well stuck down, and they do look pretty, and they glisten when the light comes on them. Okay, so as I said, I'm going to use this as a stitch project, in a stitch project, because it's foam. I can stitch it. And I've got this one. This is all of the beads that were needed for this picture, and these were the ones that were left over, so I've created a nice little design there. Okay, so I hope you have fun. I hope you decide to try it yourself and see what you think. And leave a comment below if you have tried it, and let me see some of your images, or links to your images. Okay, take care.